we may be possibly picking up a V2, Ducati V2. All right, so I am possibly doing something
illegal.
Illegal? Irresponsible? I don't know what to call it, but we may be possibly picking up a V2, Ducati V2. It is a really good deal and almost too hard to pass up. So here we are at BMW Woodlands. Normally it would be at V1 that actually sells Ducatis, but it's right over there. I don't have my zoom lens right now, but it's right over somewhere there. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully we can work out a deal and possibly walk out with this thing.
Exciting.
We shall see. We going to pick you up a bike too?
Maybe. I don't know.
I did not mean to mean like that. We shall see. We have problems. We have bike problems.
Yes, we do. Well,
very much. And well, we just love bikes. So it is what it is, right?
We like to go fast as fuck, boy.
We like to go fast. We like nice things, and
it's a problem.
It's a huge problem. But
work hard, play hard.
Yes, exactly. That is why we work hard. That is why I am gone for 14 days out of a month at a time, and do more things more than that sometimes, so we can enjoy nice things. But here we are. We shall see if we get this, and maybe two. Maybe we pick up another one. That'll be sick if we end up coming out with two. If this happens, I'm excited to bring this Ducati to the channel and start doing.
To our garage that's almost full. Already.
To our garage, yes, it's almost full. One day we'll have possibly two Ducatis in there. I have a feeling if we had two Ducatis here, we'd probably come out with two Ducatis. I don't know, but yeah, let's do this.
I don't know. Are you excited?
All right, guys, we did it. We bought the Ducati. Well, we're about to buy it. It's already had some work done to it, but I'm excited to make a lot of ride videos and just to do a lot with that bike. It hasn't clearly hit me, and I wasn't planning on making this purchase like at all. So it's a little bit wild. It's a little bit crazy, I feel like. Responsible me saying not to do it, but motorcycle me is saying that this is an opportunity of a lifetime. We're getting a 2022 Panigale V2, $14,000 with 1,900 miles on it. Right.
Is this your dream bike?
This is my dream bike, and the only reason I'm sending it on this is because of how good of a deal it is. It almost makes sense not to do it, even just because resale value.
You mean it doesn't make sense?
It 100% makes sense.
To do it.
Wait, what did I say? Did I say it doesn't make sense to do this?
It's basic.
Oh, okay. It makes sense, guys. It makes sense to do it. What do you think, babe?
Yes.
Is this
excited for you?
Is this stupid?
No, this is not stupid. This is exciting. We're excited, guys. We're gonna do it. We're part of the Ducati family. Basically.
Oh, I can finally go on Ducati
Club.
Oh,
shit.
Ducati rides.
Can I ride on the back?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's a race bike. It doesn't have a seat. Sorry.
Guess I have to get my own. Wow.
I hope it's not broken.
How sad that I can't even go. I can't even ride with him.
I'm gonna be mad if it's broken.
Oh God, yeah. Somebody gonna pay.
That's the only thing I'm scared of. That for some reason something's wrong with it. And the guy, supposedly, a little background on this. The guy got rid of it because the insurance was too much. And I just got quoted for full coverage insurance, and that sucker is $500 a month.
Damn.
This was his second bike, so second or third, so he wasn't actually like riding it all the time. So to him, it didn't make sense, which it doesn't make sense to spend $500 a month on a bike that you're not even riding. It's it's a one owner bike, most likely very, very well maintained, 1,900 miles in the past 2 years.
Babe,
Oh Oh, Chase is over here.
Like, where are you going? He's distracted. I think I'm distracting him while he's driving, so.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. We're pulling up to Chase, so this should be fun. But I have a serious question. Can I ride the Ducati?
I don't know about that.
Guys, he's not gonna let me ride it. It's fair though, because I did drop his Harley. All right, I laid it down. Not on purpose, it was just really heavy, and once it kept going, all the guys were watching me, and I literally just slowly laid it down because I couldn't hold the weight of it. It was very, very heavy. So, that was fun.
We did it. Here she is. Here is the newest addition to the channel. I don't know what to say. I'm honestly speechless right now. It really hasn't hit me that I just purchased this beautiful bike with Olin suspension and everything on it. My mind is just absolutely blown right now, and I don't know what to say, to be honest. I'm just speechless. You know, I never thought that I'd be buying a Ducati V2, at least not anytime soon. I will post a picture now. Four years ago, 2020, when I sat on my first V2, and I always told myself that I'm gonna walk out with this bike at some point. And today it's happened. I am forever grateful for everything in life, and I don't know what to say, but just excited to do some ride-alongs with you guys and just get to enjoy this together.
Such a pretty bike. Get over there. Sit on it.
I don't even, I'm so scared to sit on it.
Don't be scared, you gotta ride it home. Yes. Looks good. Start it up, let's hear it.
Okay, let's hear it. Never been a fan of these. They're these little socks. They're supposed to keep your brake fluid warm.
Right.